So this reamer, what makes it unique is it's a, well, first of all, it's a monoblock. It's a one-piece reamer. The next thing would be is it's an expandable reamer. Now, it's not adjustable, it's expandable. And these reamers are meant to be expanded for wear compensation. So when they come in out of the box, they're ready to cut right to size. Normally, unless we, with the customer's input, decide to shoot at a different part of their tolerance field, they come in right at mean. So right in the middle of their tolerance is where these are ground, and that's where they cut when you start. As it wears, the expansion screw allows the customer to expand the reamer, get it back up into that middle of the tolerance, or maybe even above mean, to prolong tool life. It's all about getting the most holes out of this reamer.